ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, your excellencies, friends of Indonesia and friends of art. Welcome to the opening of the exhibition called Indonesia through the eyes of an artist. We're very honored that Her Excellency, the Ambassador of Indonesia, Ibu Kenzi Dwi Ekrangsih, she was willing to cooperate with us and make the idea of having this exhibition happen. This exhibition was inspired by certain stories of different people from the eastern part of Indonesia, and we are really glad that we can introduce tonight 4 artists and 26 pieces of art. The aim of this exhibition is to introduce Indonesian culture through the eyes of Czech and Slovak artists, and one artist who is of the Greek and Lebanese origin. I believe that through dialogue we can introduce different cultures and we can cultivate our feeling for empathy and just become better people. So we hope that this exhibition will enable this to happen. I would like to give the floor to Her Excellency, the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia, Ibu Kenzi Ekrangsih.
And I hope there will be no more water, no more thunder, until we all open the exhibition. So, my distinguished colleagues, Ambassador of ASEAN, ACP, ASEAN Committee in Prague, my colleague, dear Ambassador of Asia in Prague, distinguished guests, officials from Luboka, officials from Mayor Prague 6, Mayor Prague 5, and all the friends of Indonesia. A very good afternoon to all of you, Dobry den, and Selamat sore, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope I can listen to Wassalamualaikum. Well,
Vážení hosté, velvyslanci zemí ASEAN a
all of you to come, who can come and participate in the opening ceremony of the art exhibition in my humble residence of Indonesia this evening.
Jsem moc ráda, že jste přišli.
Because it's Friday. Usually Friday is our feeling is not in Prague anymore. Usually we are packing our stuff and we start to fly outside Prague. So thank you so much for making your time with us this evening. Our MC, that the event is called Indonesia Through the Eyes of an Artist, and this is the event that will not be happening without the participation of the 4 artists. 2 are from Slovakia, 2 artists are from Slovakia, 1 is from Czech, Slovakia, Czech, and 1 is Lebanese, Greek origin.
Tak jak už jsme zmínili, autoři jsou tedy 2 Slovenky.
Arts and Culture Scholarship Program at various art campuses of Indonesia, in Indonesia.
Tito umělci mají silné emocionální vazby na Indonésii, protože někteří z nich se zúčastnili
their way of seeing and capturing Indonesia has been manifested through their work of art, such as paintings, batik paintings, and also photographs.
Jejich způsob
is a reflection of their love for Indonesia.
Tato výstava je vlastně odrazem jejich lásky k Indonésii.
I would like now to introduce the 4 artists, started by Javanese batik, Miss Helena, and from Java we fly to Bali, Miss Barbara, and after Bali we proceed to eastern part of Bali, Miss Naja, and the last one is Mr. Saad, George Saad, who is in love with part of Papua.
Paní Barbora potom byla ovlivněna Bali.
Barbora, Helena, Mrs. Nadia, yes, we just come forward, please.
Paní Nadia
And also George.
tvoří inspirována ostrovy Timor a Sumba. A pan George potom ten se zaměřuje úplně nejvíc na východ Indonésie, na Papuu.
So those are the artists, and those are the most colleagues, the most friends of Indonesia that really indeed in love with Indonesia.
Takže to jsou naši přátelé a umělci, kteří skutečně milují Indonésii. Happy that you're still with us, and now we would like to get to the last point, and that's revealing the painting for Her Excellency.
Ja by som tiež pozval na pódium autorku Nadeždu Jakubkovú.
I would like to invite the author, Nadežda Jakubková.
A samozrejme rád by som pozval na pódium jej excelenciu pani veľvyslankyňu. Nech sa páči. Autorka Nadežda Jakubková stvárňuje vo svojich 5 portrétoch príbehy ľudí z ostrova Timor a Sumba. A práve uvidíme 6. portrét, ktorý odhalí príbeh jej excelencie pani veľvyslankyne, ktorá pomyselne reprezentuje zase ostrov Java. A ja by som teraz poprosil pani veľvyslankyňu o odhalenie a prevzatie si portrétu od autorky Nadeždy Jakubkovej.
So the author Nadežda Jakubková, she painted 5 paintings of people coming from the islands of Timor and Sumba. And now the last painting is of Her Excellency, who comes from the island of Java. So I would like to ask Her Excellency to reveal and accept the painting.
Should we make some?
So is it really me?
You say.
This is younger than me, and is much younger.